Hi you guys, I just wanted to do a quick little intro to my video today and let you know that I am once again doing another collaboration with one of my good friends here on YouTube. Her name is Ivy Howell and she is amazing, you guys. She has so much cleaning motivation over on her channel. You will be floored. She does so many cleaning videos. She also does like things like grocery hauls and stuff like that. She's a mom of 4 and her kids are like teenagers, and you would not even think that by looking at her because she looks like she's like in her early 20s. Like, I can't even believe it, but she is so sweet and I think you guys will absolutely love her channel. So definitely head on over there after you finish watching today's video and go and give her channel some love as well. We're both going to be doing kind of kid related videos today. So one thing that's really neat about the both of us is that we both kind of run daycare centers from our homes. So I just started doing a daycare center here at my home a couple of months ago. And Ivy used to work in a daycare center and she has one child from there that she takes care of, and she also takes care of her good friends' kids as well. So we both have daycare situations at our homes. So she's going to be doing a video over on her channel about how to properly clean toys. And I'm going to be doing a video over here showing you me cleaning up after my daycare kids all leave, because it is a disaster. And typically I always get my cleaning done like while they're still here. Towards the end of the day, I start cleaning up kind of around them. But I thought for this video that I would just leave it and show you guys the mess that they make and show me doing a time lapse of cleaning it up. So definitely, like I said, go over and check out Ivy's channel after this, and please leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you have not already. And if you are coming over from Ivy's channel, I would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. I do a lot of cleaning motivation over here. I also do some law of attraction videos, some hauls, and just all kind of different lifestyle stuff. I'm also on a weight loss journey, so there's stuff related to that here as well. And I would love to have you subscribe and become a part of my growing YouTube family. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna get right on into the video, and hopefully I can provide you with some cleaning motivation today. Okay, you guys. So this is one day with a daycare in my basement. So yeah, these kids, they play up a storm, we'll just say that. This is my little corner sanctuary over here where I often sit and I'll like get some editing done if they're just like quietly playing or whatever. So this is what we're working with here. So we're going to be doing some major playroom cleaning motivation today. This is where some of the kids have quiet time. Some of the kids that nap, I have a nap room. And then the kids that don't nap, we just have quiet time, make them up a little bed here, and they watch a movie while the other kids are napping. So
where you move make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me.
I know you will always be there.
I'll be enough for you. Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel. I know you will always be the one who holds me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always.
Okay, you guys, so here is the after. The only thing that's really out of place is the balloons that I have because they don't really have a home. They just kind of float around, but everything is fairly organized. All of the push toys and everything, I just kind of put them around the room. And then these buckets of toys, I don't even bother organizing that anymore. The first couple weeks when I had the daycare, I was organizing that all, but by the end of the day, it all is emptied anyways, and the kids don't care. Then I have this little farm set up here because the kids love this farm set on this really cool rug that has like roadways and everything. And then we've got there a couple balloons there, but most of that is all stuffed animals. Up there, we've got some dress-up clothes and books and puzzles down there. So everything really does have a home. You wouldn't have known it in the beginning. And then I've got the couches all cleared off and all the blankets put away. And we have a clean space, which is ready for more playing tomorrow. You guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'm sorry about this lighting. I took down my ring light and everything already. So thanks for hanging out with me and cleaning up my kids' playroom. And I hope you got some cleaning motivation out of it. Make sure you go out and check out Ivy's channel. And if you are new from her channel, I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button on the way out. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.